going to study the topic on metallurgy, that is isolation, extraction and purification of metals. Elements are found to occur in nature either in the free state like carbon, sulphur, gold, or in the combined state in the form of their compounds. Thus, the naturally occurring chemical substances in the Earth's crust which are obtained by mining are known as minerals. The rocky materials which contain sufficient quantity of minerals so that the metal can be extracted profitably or economically are known as ores. Thus, all ores are minerals, but all minerals are not ores. Aluminium occurs in Earth's crust in the form of two minerals, bauxite and clay. Since aluminium can be conveniently and economically extracted from bauxite, while no easy and cheap method is so far available for extraction of aluminium from clay. Therefore, the ore of aluminium is bauxite. Metallurgical processes. The process of extracting metals from their ores is called metallurgy. The metallurgical operations are as follows: crushing and grinding of the ores. Second, concentration or benefaction of the ores. Third, extraction of crude metals from the concentrated ore. And lastly, refining of the crude metal. After cracking the big lumps of the ores with the crushers, these ores are reduced to the powder with the help of ball mill or stamp mill. Process being called as pulverization. Second step is concentration of the ores or benefaction process. It is done by the removal of unwanted earthy and siliceous impurities called as gangue or matrix from the ore. These are done by various methods. The first one is hydraulic washing. It is also called as levitation or gravity separation. In this process, lighter earthy particles are freed from the heavier ore particles by washing with water. Second is electromagnetic separation. This is employed when either the ore or the impurities associated with it are magnetic in nature. Third is froth flotation process. It is used for concentration of sulphide ores such as Zinc Blende, that is zinc sulphide, Galena, that is lead sulphide, etc. This method is based upon the fact that the surface of sulphide ore is preferentially wetted by oils, while that of gangue is preferentially wetted by water. The collectors are added to the suspension of the crushed ore and water, which enhance non-wettability of the ore particles, for example, pine oil, xanthates, and also froth stabilizers are added to stabilize the froth, for example, crisols and aniline. The next step is extraction of crude metal from the concentrated ores. This is done in two ways: calcination, which is a process of heating an ore in absence of air so that it converts carbonate ores into oxides. It is also used to remove moisture and volatile impurities. Second is roasting. It is a process in which an ore is heated in regular supply of air at a temperature below the melting point of the metal so as to convert the given ore into oxide ore, for example, sulphide ores. Both processes are carried out in a reverberating furnace. The metal oxides obtained are then reduced to metals by using suitable reducing agents like carbon monoxide, any other metals like aluminium, magnesium, etc., various processes like electrolytic reduction, pyrometallurgy, etc. And the last step is refining. Refining is the process of converting impure metal into pure metal depending upon nature of metal. Some of the methods are: first is zone refining. It is based on the principle that impurities are more soluble in the molten state than in the solid state of the metal. Second is vapor phase refining. Crude metal is freed from the impurities by first converting it into a suitable volatile compound by heating it at lower temperature with a specific reagent, and then decomposes the volatile compound at some higher temperature to give the pure metal. They are as follows: Mons process, used for refining nickel, and second is Van Arkel method. This is used to get ultra pure metals like zirconium and titanium. And the next method is electrolytic refining. In this method, impure metal is taken as anode and pure metal is taken as cathode. Soluble salt of the metal is used as an electrolyte. When electric current is passed, the impure metal forms metal ions which are discharged at cathode, forming pure metal. The method is used for refining copper, gold, silver, lead, zinc and aluminium. Thank you.